Bafana Bafana and Leeds United legend Lucas Radebe says he is working tirelessly behind the scenes to equip himself in his quest to fulfill his long-time dream of serving as the SAFA Football Association president one day. Radebe, who's 54 years old, has been one of the few former players who have been vocal about the drastic change that needs to happen at the embattled Darby Jordans-led association. He publicly declared his presidential ambitions. Last year, President Phil Mogodi told the Sunday World publication about Radebe's ambitions and said, he said the only way for him to boost his presidential ambitions is to go to the structures. Mogodi added that he must serve the association in one of the 52 regions. Radebe spoke to the media at the No Lace No Game UEFA Champions League event at the Discovery Park Soccer Club on Tuesday. He said he is well on track to prepare himself for the leadership position at SAFA. When the opportunity presents itself, he will be ready. And said, absolutely, I'm equipping myself, and there are a lot of people that I'm talking to that are helping me with the right and relevant information that will assist me to be ready one day. I don't have that attitude of telling myself that I know what to do or know better because I'm Lucas and all of that. Yes, some of the issues happening at SAFA, I think that they are personal, but to be honest, we should be working towards bringing people closer together. Because for me, the most important thing is leaving a legacy more than anything else and bringing progress to our football. And how do you do that? Is by identifying people within the structure, bringing them closer and working on a succession plan with them. And said instead of bringing personal issues, of which I think is absolutely wrong, the reality is that things have changes in life. There are young presidents now with different ideas. So why can't we change as well? Change is good. I think footballers with know-how should be involved in the game at that level. Please like, comment, share and subscribe for more sports news.